install a combination lock on my trailer toolbox. Originally I purchased this to put on our camper, but when I started having trouble with this lock, I figured, well, I have it, and I'll go ahead and put it on and see how we like it. The lock itself has a good bit of weight to it, so I'm hoping that reflects in the quality of the build. Take it out of the bag and we'll install it on this toolbox. So 3-dial combination lock. You can set it to whatever combination you want. You just use a little pin and stick it in this hole and change the dials to whatever you want your combination to be. Okay. Here is a little piece that you can move this to index how you want your dial to end up when it's in a lock position. So I got it set. You can pull it off and just flip it over if you wanted it a different way. Since the slide is horizontal, I decided to put it where the numbers are easier to read when it's in the lock position. It just slides back in where the original one was. There's just one nut that you tighten up in the back. Adjustable wrench. Snug it down. Then you have a little cam. I'm going to reuse the one that was originally on the box. It came with 3 other cams and then one little Phillips screw. There it is, it's installed. Now all you need to do is program the combination you want. There's a hole that you'll see in the knob. Stick a pin in there. Adjust your combination to whatever you want it. It's a booklet says 1,000 different combinations that you could program into it. 3-dial combination lock to secure your ratchet straps and little things like that on your trailer, I believe is going to work out just fine. If you're interested in a lock like this for your toolbox, I'll provide a link for it in my description under the video. Thanks for watching.